Hey everyone, I am going to be walking you through how to use Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a free and simple video creation and discussion platform. You do not need an account for this. You're simply going to need a class code or a URL, both which I will give to you. But when it's time to start, you guys will go to flipgrid.com and you're going to simply enter in the code. That code, once you put it in, will automatically direct you to your class page. So we are in Business Foundations Period 1. Underneath, you guys will see the activities. So for us right now, we have the About Me interactivity. So you'll see the title. You'll also see a quick overview. So for this one, you're preparing a 1-minute presentation introducing yourself and a topic of your choice. Please make sure you guys are looking underneath to see if there's any additional resources. These things could be directions, maybe another video, or even a Google slide presentation. Once you feel comfortable with what we're asking of you, you guys can go ahead and click record a response. So you're going to see me come up on video. Hey everyone, this is super simple to use. It's just a 4-step process, but I want to point out a few things on the screen before we get started. So you guys have the ability to add effects. So if you're feeling up to it, you guys can add in filters. All we ask with filters is that you guys are not using a filter that covers up your face. So I'm going to go back to this filter. You have the ability to add in frames, emojis, and even text. So if you wanted to add additional text into your video, you guys can do that and you guys can move it as well. Some other effects that they have is the drawing feature. So if you guys wanted to draw on the camera, let me go back to it. Yeah, if you wanted to draw on the camera, this is going to be my best attempt at a heart. Okay, it looks good. You guys can do that as well. And they also have the ability to turn your screen into a whiteboard or even upload photos. One nice thing here too is you have the ability to add notes. So you can turn on the sticky note here, or if you guys are having trouble remembering what was asked, you guys can also pop open the directions while you're recording or right before you start recording. So that is up there for you as well. So once you guys get that all set up, you guys can go ahead and record. So I'm going to do that. Gives you a nice countdown. I'm going to start recording my video. I'm talking about whatever the teacher has asked of me. Once you feel good with it, you're going to hit next and you'll get a preview. I'm going to start recording my video. I'm talking about whatever. I'm going to skip over that because we don't need to watch that again. And then the last step, you're going to go ahead and take a selfie. And the selfie is basically going to be like the cover page to your video. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There's my selfie. I'm going to hit next. And it's going to go ahead and take you over to like the processing page. So you might see this for a couple seconds. Do not worry. It's just uploading your video. Okay, you are going to go ahead and put your first and last name. So I'm just going to label this fake student and you are going to hit submit. Success. It has been uploaded and you have to do nothing further at this point. Your video is automatically sent to me. I get notification and you are done. Please note, depending on the activity, your teacher will tell you whether these videos will be for their eyes only or they will be made public to other people in your class. So that is just going to be on an activity case-by-case basis. If you have any other issues, questions, comments, concerns with Flipgrid, please make sure you reach out. I'm excited for this semester and good luck.